Hi everybody, I'm Skander Mizbekov. I keep recording video how I try to do my best, live happier, and sharing with you my private opinion on my way. And now guys, I have free time in train. I'm going to business trip in our city, and that's why I have some free time to myself, and I decide to spend my time to me, to you, record a little bit video. I will have tomorrow one big meeting, and I keep preparing to all the World Economic Conference in my city. And now guys, when I have blind by plane, I communicate with people around me, and I have seen guys, I have seen in myself this kind of habits, part of me, that I want to communicate with people. I really want to communicate with people, try to find something interesting in people around me. And it's not difficult for me to communicate with some person who I don't know, absolutely didn't see. I haven't seen ever this person, but it's easy for me to communicate with a new person, introduce myself, and ask something about this person. And why I talk about it, guys, what I talk about it, because of the very strong researchers. I know that there is one big researchers when one group of scientists want to analyze that depend to how much we live, what depend for long or short life. And scientists analyze a group of people, notes them a lot of time, and this research show up one things which help that impact to long life. It depends on how much communication you have, how much honest, and no, maybe this research don't analyze it how much deeply, maybe empty this kind of communication. It just was about how much really communication you have in your life. And this research talk about some kind of concrete quantity. I forgot this quantity, but it looks like that if you have more communication, more contacts with other people, it's better for us, for our life. Its impact through, I think, through our wealth, because of when you have a lot of contacts, you have a lot of opportunities to communicate, to collaborate with other people, to sell something, to maybe connect other people, make some benefit from it. And I think these things don't have some negative things, and I don't talk about some online, some unreal friends in social media, guys. Don't get me wrong. I talk about some really communication, when you communicate in life with this person sometimes, and you maybe can trust this person in some question. It depends on situation, depends on city, where political situation, economic situation, maybe. Okay, all kidding aside, guys, all kidding aside, that's why, guys, that is means if we can build good relationship with a large amount people, and we can choose what kind of people it can be. It can be maybe entrepreneur people, it can be maybe some medical people, lawyer, teachers, intellectual people. It means, guys, that we have good proverb, show up me your best friend, and I talk you that kind of a person that will be with you in few years. Repeat again, show me your best few friends, and I predict your future. So what does it mean, guys? It means that people around us impact in ourselves, in our beliefs, in our behavior patterns, in our value, in our habits, and from our habits builds our day. Each habits which we repeat day by day, each day, in the morning, in the evening, during the day, these habits build our life. Day by day, week by week, year by year, we live, and how we spend our day, we can sometimes lose our life, maybe found something more, something important for each people. And my teachers, wisdom people, talk that if we don't do something that develop ourselves each day, we can think that we lose this day. If we do something useful for us, something that develop ourselves each day, maybe just today, we lose this day. If we do something that develop ourselves this day, I am agree with these things, with this idea, because of I have seen in my private experience, in my private opinion, that life is going very fast, and day change day, year change season, and now spring in the air, and after spring will be summer. It's on the one hand it's very fast, on the other hand it's as usual. When we look back in past time, it's looked like very fast. When we conscious being in present moment, it's the normal, we can enjoy life, and the important things that we can be each time cheerful. Majority people, we have this kind of nature. We can't be each time cheerful and happy. Maybe some kind of really conscious people who achieve some really conscious level, meditation level, can feel deeply happiness inside, deeply inside us, but it's not about majority people. I try to achieve this condition. Sometimes I try to meditate, sometimes I try to notice my error, my some thoughts, my emotion, and what I have seen that look at for emotion, it's more easy than look at for things, for thoughts, because of thoughts can change very fast, and sometimes we really forget about our goals. Be conscious now, and for example, I can be here in this train, and when I start to think about something, I forgot about I'm here. To be honest, that I realize about conscious life, I just think that conscious life can help us be attention about our focusing about some negative or positive focusing, and when we notice that we worry about something, that we afraid of something, we can conscious try to change our focus, try to think about something positive, try to be optimistic. And recently I have seen interview with Pavel Durov. It's a really unique person, a unique entrepreneur who create Telegram and VK, and he have really difficult fit, I think, and I forgot about I want to talk before, guys. Okay, see you. I have idea for new video. Okay, see you guys. Pavel Durov talk that he is optimistic. He have repeated that he optimist few times because of it's very important. I think it's very deeply meaning. Try to be optimistic. Thanks. See you.